If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up traders, this is Vee Trades and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Microsoft with the ticker symbol MSFT. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So it looks like stocks are continuing to pull back, and that's not any surprise because we are definitely oversold. So now we're pulling back in potential downtrend. You can see that this is the downtrend channel that prices were respecting, and recently we had a break outside of it, but we're probably going to continue higher from this breakout, but eventually I'm still looking for a retest of this low of this downtrend. But that we have to have a retest of these highs or two legs up before we probably come back down to retest these prior lows. So I don't think the downtrend is over. I believe we're just in a correction. We did have large pullbacks before. You can see this was a large move up. From the lows to the highs was a 17% gain, 16% gain. So we do see large corrections in downtrends. So I don't want to be fooled that this is the real deal or not. To me, I think it's too early to be a bull, but anything can happen in the market. As right now, I think there's just a lower probability. So we had a leg up. There's a strong possibility to get another leg up, and the target would be right at the 292 level. They probably want to come back and retest this prior resistance. You can see that buyers had a hard time breaking through this level in the past, which led to the sell-off, and now we're coming back again to retest that level. And if we find any resistance, probably gonna back down to the lows. Now if we break it, we could be forming some type of uptrend. So that's what I have in the near term. Looks like we're gonna be pulling back. I also have a longer term channel that prices are still inside of. You can see that if I connect the swings, drag this down, this tells the story pretty good. You can see that since we came off the lower side of the channel, just like we did in the past, we will probably go to the upper side, and this is right where the measure move target is and the prior resistance and the resistance side of this channel. So multiple reasons why we should be coming back to this level. That's the market structure. We move in waves, and the waves finish at certain areas on the chart, and this one looks like we're trying to finish at the 292 level. So I'll be waiting for prices to come back here and see if we're gonna get rejected and it sends prices down, or we're gonna break it and race off to the prior all-time highs. So most likely I'm expecting prices to get rejected just like how we did in the past, but again, we could break it depending how strong the bullish momentum is. So I'm looking for more continuation. There was a nice rally today. Prices sold off a lot, but looks like a lot was recovered, and now I'm expecting more continuation towards the end of this week and the start of next week into this the 290 levels. So that's everything I have on the daily chart. We can go wrap this up on the weekly chart. Here we have the weekly chart for Microsoft. It made an all-time high back here in November of last year at the 350 level, and since then we've been selling off inside of this downtrend channel. I don't believe this downtrend channel has been played out yet, so it looks like we're just pulling back to the resistance side, which is right where the EMA is catching up because we were far away from it for a while. So everything's kind of lining up for another run down. That's why I don't want to get overly excited that we have bottom, because I'm expecting more continuation to the downside. Overall, the pattern is up, but again, you got to let these corrections play out, and I don't think the correction has played out in this market. I still think there's more people that need to be squeezed out, and the liquidity is definitely being drawn out of the market. So that's everything I have for Microsoft. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video with your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.